You do not have to follow every curly girl rule, every curly girl tip to get healthy hair. You just don't. Today's video is curly hair rules that I ignore. I do not follow these curly hair rules. There's probably a time where I did follow some of them, but now I'm just like, my hair is fine without it. So let's get into it. First curly hair rule that I do not follow is using cold water to rinse your hair. I don't do that. Why? Because I don't like it. I take hot showers. I don't want to run the water, make it cold. I don't want to do that. It's just too much. Who wants to rinse their hair with cold water? It's uncomfortable. No cold rinses for me. Sorry. No cold rinses. Another curly hair rule that I do not follow is having my ends cut multiple times a year. I think I read like 2 to 3 months. Get your ends cut. I get my ends cut once a year. Just one time. I probably should do it more, but I get my dead ends cut once a year, and I've been doing that for the last 4 to 5 years, and my hair is fine. It grows fine. Another curly hair rule that I do not follow is co-washing. I do not co-wash my hair. There was a time when I did do co-washing where I was not using shampoo. My hair did feel sort of clean, but I just prefer shampoo. I don't get the co-washing thing, not using shampoo. Like, I don't get it. Just use sulfate-free, silicone-free shampoo and you should be fine. I do not pre-poo my hair all the time. Like, I don't have time for that, and I don't really see the real benefits of pre-pooing. The whole purpose of pre-pooing is to help retain moisture in your hair before you use stripping shampoo that's gonna dry your hair out. So if you don't use harsh shampoo, then you really don't need to pre-poo your hair, because your shampoo isn't really stripping your hair of moisture. So I feel like it's really redundant to pre-poo my hair before I shampoo. Another curly hair rule that I do not follow is deep conditioning your hair with heat. I don't do any of that. I just deep condition my hair regularly and go about my day. But I did used to use heat in the beginning when my hair really lacked moisture. But I stopped that when I noticed there wasn't really a difference of my hair when I used heat with it and when I just deep condition regularly. So I said, what's the point of this if I get the same results? So I don't know. Another curly hair rule that I do not follow is moisturize your hair daily. I don't do that. I moisturize my hair if I'm going somewhere, if I'm doing something, if I just washed it. But if I'm in the house, I'm not going anywhere, I'm not doing anything, more than likely my hair isn't going to be touched, to be honest. I'm not moisturizing it. I'm not doing anything to it. When they say like moisturize your hair every night, I don't do that either. My hair is just going to look the way it looks until I'm about to do something. I need to go outside. Then I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner in it. Then I'm going to put some moisturizer in it. But other than that, I do not moisturize my hair daily, to be honest. Another curly hair rule that I don't follow is finger detangling. I cannot just finger detangle alone. I have to use a comb with it. More than likely, I'm using a comb more than I'm finger detangling. So there are people, you know, who just finger detangle their hair. And while that is the preferred curly hair rule, I don't have time for that. Another curly hair rule that I don't follow, well, I don't really know if this is a rule. I don't think it's a rule. But they say like change your hair care products like during different seasons. Like summer, you would like change up your moisturizer or something. In the winter, it'll be like more thicker or something. I don't do that. I use the exact same products throughout the whole year. I don't know if this is good or bad. I mean, sometimes I guess it counts because I switch it up slowly on what I'm feeling like using. Like if I don't want to use this deep conditioner, I use another deep conditioner. Or this moisturizer, I use another moisturizer. But I don't have specific products to use during the winter and during the summer, because they usually say like you'll use lighter products in the summer and heavier products in the winter. But I don't do that. I don't think about that. These curly hair rules I would actually like to stop ignoring and start doing, like getting my ends cut more than once a year. Do not be so hard on yourself. If you don't follow every single rule out there, like, you're gonna make mistakes. There's gonna be rules that you won't even follow, and that's fine. At the end of the day, these curly hair rules are here to help you, achieve your healthy, best hair. And it's okay if some of them don't work out for you. Everyone's hair is different, and you have to do what works for your hair. If you're doing something and you find out you're not really seeing results from it, or it's just an extra step you don't want to take and you don't have time for that, don't do it. Do what works for your hair. Do what makes your routine easy. You can't compare your hair to another person's hair because our hair has different needs. So my hair was straight last week, and this week I'm back curly. And I must say, like, even though straight hair is fun and different, like, there's nothing like your curls. Like, it's just your natural hair. It's just like, and you know, when you wear your hair straight and you just like, I'm tired of this. I want my curls back. I'm tired of this. I reached that point. I was like, I'm tired of this. It's not even really me.